The great white shark, majestic creature or cold-blooded killer? With razor-sharp teeth and a thirst for blood, it's no wonder that the great white is the ocean's top predator. The great white is a vicious carnivore with a hunger for a wide range of sea creatures, from smaller fish like tuna, bluefish, and mackerel, to sea turtles, stingrays, other sharks, seabirds, and even dolphins and whales. But nothing is more tasty to a great white than a fat, juicy seal. So any ocean where seals are present, it's most likely there will also be great whites lurking around as well. Great white sharks off the coast of a small island in South Africa called Seal Island, where thousands of seals reside, have adapted a clever technique for catching and killing seals. They spot a seal, and like a torpedo, they shoot up at it from underneath, reaching speeds up to 40 miles per hour, and while catching the seal in its jaws, it can jump up to 10 feet out of the water. Although it is only effective 40% of the time for great whites, it sure is entertaining to watch. Another clever technique for hunting and killing seals is used off the coast of California on elephant seals. The great white takes a huge bite out of the back or side of the seal and slowly waits for it to bleed to death before the great white continues to eat it. The great white has sensory organs on the front of its body near its nose called ampullae of Lorenzini, which let it sense the movement of creatures near it based on their electromagnetic field. Using this, it can sense a group of seals from up to 2 miles away. The great white also has a keen sense of smell, which allows it to detect injured animals around it. They can sense a single drop of blood in 25 gallons of water, and a couple of drops from up to 3 miles away. All of these factors make the great white the ocean's top carnivore. The great white shark is found in every one of the world's oceans except the Arctic Ocean and the water around Antarctica. Great whites can live in water ranging from a cold 52 degrees to a warm 78 to 80 degrees. The densest populations of great whites are found around the coasts of the United States, Australia, and South Africa. Great whites come into contact with humans often because they frequent busy coastlines and come close to public beaches. However, they rarely attack humans unless they are provoked or they unknowingly mistake a swimmer or surfer for a helpless seal. The great white can reach a staggering length of up to 20 feet and can weigh up to as much as 5,000 pounds, making it the world's largest predatory fish. The great white shark is a cartilaginous fish, which means it has no real bones, only cartilage. It has 3 dorsal fins, 2 small ones and 1 big one, which are used to stabilize and support the shark. It also has 2 lateral fins, which allow it to balance out and glide quickly through the water. Its mouth, which can open up to 4 feet wide and is full of over 300 razor-sharp serrated teeth, make it a nightmare for its prey. Its massive tail allows it to cut and maneuver through the water quickly and quietly. It also allows it to make short bursts of speed when needed. The great white has a bright white underside from where it receives its name. Its top dorsal side, on the other hand, is a darker gray color, which allows it to blend into darker water. Its big black eyes allow it to see in murky water and in dim light. Male great whites have different pelvic fins from the female. They're called claspers. The males also have 2 additional internal abdominal sacs in their abdomen, which females don't. But other than that, those slight differences, male and female great whites look almost identical. You might think that because the great white is such a strong and prime predator, that it has no predators of its own. Sadly, that's not true. The only predator that the shark has is humans. Because of pollution and hunters, the great white has become an endangered species. Many people want to kill them for their fins and meat, and many want to kill them because they think it will make the ocean a safer place. But we need the great white shark. They're a vital necessity to our ecosystem. They're at the top of the ocean's food chain, and without them, everything would change. They control population of fish, seals, etc. by hunting them. They get rid of wounded animals, and they balance the ocean's ecology. The great white truly is an amazing creature.